Ladies and gentlemen, today we are not looking at a normal RV, we are looking at the Powerhouse Ultra Line RV, a luxury rig so massive it makes regular motorhomes look like they came free inside a cereal box. This is the kind of machine built for people who say, "Let's go camping," but also mean, bring the boat, the trailer, the cars, 8 humans, half the garage, and enough comfort to make a hotel lobby feel insecure. The Powerhouse Ultraline story begins in Iona, Idaho, where Doug Tolbert turned one serious custom build into Powerhouse Coach, one of the few American companies brave enough to build what people now call mega RVs. Tolbert's idea was simple in the way only outrageous engineering can be simple. Take a Class 8 truck platform, build a luxury living space on it, and give owners the freedom to haul almost anything behind it. Not a bicycle, not a polite little weekend trailer. We are talking about a trailer, then a boat trailer, until the whole setup stretches to 122 feet or 37 meters. That is not a motorhome anymore, that is a private neighborhood with headlights. The name Powerhouse was not invented by a room full of marketing people wearing tiny scarves and pretending coffee is a personality. Tolbert explained it directly. It is a house on wheels, and it has lots of power. Honestly, that is refreshing. No mystery, no fake Latin name, no luxury buzzword salad. Just power and house. Powerhouse Coach offered the Ultraline as a highly customizable truck conversion with known versions, including the 2003 model and a 2007 factory demo unit. The coach itself is 52 feet long, or 16 meters, with 4 slide-outs and more than 400 square feet, or 37 square meters of interior space. It can sleep up to 8 people, which means it is aimed at large families, serious travelers, motorsport people, boat owners, and anyone who believes a vacation is not complete unless half their possessions come along for emotional support. The trailer can be 35 or 40 feet long, which is 11 or 12 meters, and it is not just a metal box rolling behind the coach. It can be self-propelled, remote-controlled, heated, air-conditioned, and finished as a toy hauler, extra sleeping unit with 6 bunks, or almost anything the owner wants. That is the real point of the Ultraline. It is not a mass-produced RV pretending to be personal. It is a custom platform. Exact production numbers and surviving examples are not stated in the provided information, which makes sense because this is not a common showroom product. It is more like ordering a mansion and asking the builder to make sure it can tow your entire midlife crisis. Technically, the Ultraline is based on a Class 8 Volvo truck, a platform designed for highway work rather than sitting at a campground looking pretty. That heavy-duty foundation is one of Tolbert's strongest arguments for safety and capability. The rig uses a 1.5-liter Cummins ISX diesel, engine producing 500 horsepower. The engine sits up front in the truck chassis and sends power through a heavy-duty driveline built for serious hauling. Powerhouse could personalize elements of the build, but the famous version shows how extreme the package could become. The coach can carry an additional 3,000 to 5,000 pounds, or 1,361 to 2,268 kilograms inside the coach, not counting fuel and water. Behind it, the Ultraline can tow between 40,000 and 60,000 pounds, or 18,144 to 27,215 kilograms. That is the kind of number that makes ordinary RV owners quietly close their brochure and go stare out the window. Inside, the 2007 demo unit used rustic luxury that may feel dated today, but the materials were serious: real wood doors and furniture finishes, granite countertops, quality fabrics, and a layout built around long-distance comfort. Right behind the cab there are 2 bunk beds, an office, and a lounge area enough to sleep 3 or 4 people before you even reach the main living space. Farther back, the main area opens with 2 facing couches and a full kitchen setup. With the 4 slide-outs deployed, the coach feels more like an apartment than a vehicle, yet the spaces remain usable even when the slides are closed. At the rear, the master bedroom includes a king-size bed, an ensuite bathroom, and a ventilated laundry room with a washer, dryer, and rack for clean clothes. Storage is everywhere. Overhead cabinets, full-size wardrobes, drawers built into furniture, basement compartments, space for garden furniture, barbecues, and other travel gear. The technology also matches the scale. The coach has 8 cameras with 2 more on the self-propelled trailer, plus an entertainment system connected to several TVs through the rooms. Add a generator, solar panels, matching custom paint, and a trailer configured for toys or extra living, and the Ultraline becomes less of an RV and more of a mobile command center for people who refuse to choose between comfort and overkill. The design philosophy of the Powerhouse Ultra Line RV is wonderfully unapologetic. More room, more power, more toys, fewer excuses. The 2007 demo unit wears a rustic cabin style with warm wood, granite, and heavy fabrics. The sort of interior that says, we enjoy nature, but only if nature stays outside and the washer-dryer stays inside. And that is the charm. This RV was not created for minimalists counting socks. It was created for families, racers, boat people, and dreamers who pack like they are fleeing a government scandal. Every cabinet, bunk, camera, and slide-out feels designed around one idea: the trip should not shrink your life. Compared with ordinary class A motorhomes, the Ultraline sits in a different universe. A typical luxury RV may give you slides, leather, a nice bedroom, and a generator. This thing gives you a Class 8 truck backbone. Up to 8 sleeping places, over 400 square feet of living space, and the ability to tow 40,000 to 60,000 pounds, or 18,144 to 27,215 kilograms. Compared with other mega RVs, its biggest advantage is customization. Powerhouse Coach could build the trailer as a toy hauler, a bunkhouse, or a climate-controlled garage for cars and gear. That is why the word affordable appears only in a dangerous rich person sentence. Not cheap, but more reachable than some multi-million-dollar exotic land yachts. The market for something like this is tiny, but very clear. It is not for someone who wants a cute campground weekend and one folding chair. It is for the owner who wants to bring race cars to an event, haul a boat to the lake, sleep the whole crew, and still make breakfast in a real kitchen without elbowing someone into a cabinet. That is where the Ultraline becomes clever. It takes the strength of a highway truck and the comfort of a custom coach, then adds a trailer that can become whatever the owner imagines. It solves a problem that normal RVs only pretend to solve: how do we travel with people, comfort, tools, vehicles, and toys without turning every stop into a family courtroom drama? This rig answers with diesel confidence. The Ultraline is excessive, yes, but it is functional excess, the best kind. Politicians promise infrastructure. This thing brings its own. Now the price. The provided information does not give an official base price, original sticker price, auction sale record, or current average auction value. So we should not invent one.